is the mother of all, as it helps to sustain our life. God gave us beautiful gift. Our Mother Nature furnishes all our basic needs, bread, clothing and shelter. It is our duty to protect nature from pollution and global warming. So our students of grade 5th are going to express their views on Mother Nature. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Divya and my quote on nature is time spent amongst trees is never wasted time. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Amandeep and my quote is on nature. Is the time I spent in nature. Some of the moments I feel most of alive. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Raj and my quote on nature is in nature nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Thank you.
Nature always wears the color of spirit. Thank you.